Hi there and welcome back to the channel again. Now it's finally time to draw the winner of a Amok Draumr Hammock of a complete set of your choice. And thanks for all the comments and views of the video. I just love all the comments where you have elaborated in which one you should pick. The Amok Draumr 5.0 or the Amok Draumr Ultra Light Hammock. Amazing comments and reasons for choose the either or the other one. And I have definitely read all of it. So fun. And I think it's around 300 comments. I will see that soon because I will use the tool comment picker to just draw one of the comments. I sit here in my Amok Draumr Ultra Light, really nice one, at a nice place here in the town I live in, down at the river. You will see the view soon, but yeah, let's not drag too much on this. Let's get into the drawing tool and see which one of you who is the winner. I also have my dog Essa with me as a witness. Okay. So here we have the tool. We have the video address, add comments, replies, filter duplicate users, and we also have to solve a sum. And I think it's only to push this button, okay? Okay, this is exciting. Unique comments is 267, right? Okay, so what's next? Start the raffle and pick a winner. Wow, this is exciting. Wow. Wikström ADV is the winner. That's awesome. Congratulations. Thanks for a good showing. I've never tried an Amok or similar. For me, the weight is not the problem, so I would probably have chosen the Draumr. Okay, so here is the comment from Wikström ADV. Thanks for a good showing. I have never tried an Amok or similar. For me, the weight is not a problem, so I would probably have chosen the Draumr 5.0. With kind regards, Henrik Wikström. So that is the winner. Well, congratulations, Henrik Wikström. Good for you. I will reach out to you. Or you can email, actually, if you look at my YouTube channel, at the tab about, I have a mail address. You can reach me there and I will ask you some questions so I know that you are you. And then you don't have to pick that hammock that you chosen in the comment. You could elaborate with me if you want some tips and tricks on how to shoot. Thank you everyone who has been with me on this contest for the giveaway. It has been really fun to do it, and thanks to Amok Equipment who have supported this. I hope Henrik will be a very happy hammocker, and maybe we will see him out there somewhere. It's an ad rider that I know. He has been subscribing for the channel for a while, and that is also fun to have one of you out there that is supporting the channel to win. And thank you all for this, and congrats Mr. Henrik Wikström. And ciao, see you on the next one.